I remember doing a bunch in Puerto Rico. Oh. Okay, I thought this was a nail, but it turns out it's a flat sliver, which is really inconvenient. Because if it's round, it would make it easier for that reamer. Not easier, but just okay, I took it out and then like the leak stopped. I would stop hearing the hissing. So I was just saying like if it maybe healed itself, but no, it's not the case. Alright, so my best advice is when you have an elongated slash like that, you want to put the I don't know, I call it jerky or Slim Jim, tire slim. You want to put it in the elongated way so it like plugs up that hole as much as possible. Now that really sucks for me because I just rather prefer a straight hole, so I'm gonna get to it. You know what would help? Oh, you need your contact cement too. But before you even yank that out, you want to already have everything established with your little jerky here. And you're really going to want pliers because it's going to be super hard to pull this through. You know, you kind of smash it flat with your finger, right? Just to try to feed it. And you could probably do it without it, but you're going to go through a lot of finger strength. And just as soon as you got a little bit there to grab onto with some pliers, I just kind of peel the rest of it off. Yeah. And just yank her through. Yeah, these are Leatherman, the Leatherman Wave. And I used it so much that I have to do like some sort of butterfly maneuver with it because it's just, it won't open up, you know. Alright, now I'm gonna have to pull on it because of the teeth, the way this Leatherman bites. It bites best if you're using it in a pulling fashion instead of like a side yanking. Oh my goodness, can't talk. Alright, and you just pull that through so you get the halfway mark, and as soon as you're there, just put that where you like, and you get your contact cement. Oh, and you might help if you had like a little marker or something to put next to the hole so you could see or not lose your spot, you know, because sometimes you go yank it and it heals up and you can't find it unless you have soap and water. But when you're doing something like this, I'd rather have it dry because you're using contact cement. So I just, you know, after doing that, I kind of just wipe it down. But it's really no biggie, as my dad would say, no biggie. You know, just make sure you lube her real good. A lot of lubricity in this girl. And take your contact cement, right? And you run it all up on your Slim Jim. You know, you give it a good coat. Head to tail, I mean, it doesn't take much, but you know, if you're gonna do it once, you know, you might as well do it, you know, a little sparingly to like no degree. You just keep putting it on there until it's nice and lathered up. Yep. I would even put some there on there like that. No, you don't do that, what I'm doing here. You're just gonna contaminate your brush. So you don't just, you know, it's good enough putting it on here. And in there. Whoa, I forgot to ream. I forgot to ream it. Yep, look at me. Shouldn't even put the contact cement there yet. Okay. Now you can hear it, right? Now I got that wick in there, good bit. And you just this is what I have here sticking out, and that's about good enough for me. And you just take it and you pull, and ta-da! She is stuck and good. And that is longer than it should have took. Alright guys, yep, shouldn't have any problems with that.